The lion-tailed macaw. Kingdom Animalia, Chordata, Mammalia, Primate, Cerco, Pithecia, Macaca, Silenus. Lion-tailed macaw. The child that fell in the lion enclosure was killed. I wonder what would happen if the child fell in the macaw enclosure. Here's an amazing view of the insect mosquito laden lake of some eagles flying overhead. Mosquito laden lake. A wonderful old tree with great branches. Wonderful, amazing for photography. Some mullah uncles coming from namaz and looking lazy as ever. Hear the sounds. Namaskar. Sounds of birds flying overhead. Water is greener in the pond because of algae and duckweed. May not be a pleasing sight for our eyes, but is valuable food for water birds. Remember, don't clean the lake. Some information about birds that can be seen at Delhi Bird Photography. But just in case. Sun has come out in full flow. Some tourists for my YouTube channel. It's a gay couple and their kid. That is my gang. That over there. You see them? Amazing. So beautiful. So beautiful. You can hear the sound of the plane passing overhead. Can't really track it right now, but if I use Flight Radar Pro, I probably can. The good thing about today's technology is that from your visit to the park, you can also see other people's visit to the park. Lots of people. This can be shared with everyone. A truly round one, Sardarji with a cut beard, not a true Sardar. Man with an eye patch. Must have suffered traumatic injury to the eye. Dilated by atropine. In order to treat some corneal defect. Cool dude with a DSLR. Cool dude photography page. Dustbin. That's our gang from World Wildlife Fund. There are couples there. There are single girls sitting there studying probably, thinking what to do with their life. Happens to everyone. Nothing special. Lots of people just going about their business. Our cool gang. Won't ask them to introduce themselves for the YouTube channel, but this is Devan, that is Gunjan Sharma. Those three I don't know. We traveled in the car and had fun with music, but I don't know them. Okay, these two are the guys from Shimla who own apple farms apparently. Herbivores of Central India, it reads. Look. Nice beard, six style khata. Friendship. Okay, so Gunjan studies in Bhagat Singh College. Vivaan studies, I'm not sure where he studies. I'll have to ask him in detail, but his handle is Gunjan Sharma 19_95. His is unfuck. I'll map in a couple. Firangi foreign lady looking. Journey ends. BOT stop. Yatra samap. BOT also stands for Bachelor of Occupational Therapy. That's BOTH. Welcome to NZP. This is a totally free visit. Apart from spending for my phone battery, everything else, totally free. Yeah, she's walking like whatever. Ticket operated, battery operated trolley for handicapped people. Another gang. These are the e-rickshaws here. There's Coca-Cola. No smoking. Queensland Cory Agathis robusta, native of Australia. Just like camels. People getting off. Way to the washroom. Ficus retusa, native of Southeast Asia. Restricted area. That's written over there. Restricted area, no entry for visitors. That's Gupta, Agra, Sampla, whatever, with the phone number. Not mine. Drinking place. Drinking ATM. People having fun. People with kids. Foreign lady looking lost. Bottle brush. Callistemon viminalis, native of Australia. Is it moving away? No vehicle is allowed beyond this point. How hypocritical. That vehicle clearly going. Restricted area, no entry for visitors. Director's office. They had a new director recently. Entry in lawn is prohibited. Offenders fined 500. 500 in old notes, I'll give them, huh? That's a heron, I think, I'm not sure. NZP in big letters. Cute kid saying crocodile. People chilling the fuck out. Plane passing overhead clearly. Thank you, visit again. Way out. What is that condition? You see his hands? Forearm bones don't exist because his mother took some drug during pregnancy. So no forearm bones, probably warfarin. That is what causes radial bone defect. Basically forearm defect. Kid running upstairs for the camera, of course. Manic child. This is how you must climb stairs all at once to avoid all the pain together. Way out, first aid. Entry in lawn is prohibited. Offenders fined 500. Old lady mumbling to herself, gone insane. All shops shut. No one to purchase them. Look at these steps. How will you climb up these steps? Very strange. Guards, way out. These are their cars. This is where they live. Exit. Time to leave. Goodbye. No entry. Free public conveniences. National Zoological Park, NZO. Kachra Peti. Bye.